Hi everyone, I'm Harsha here. So today I'm going to review about this QishioVid software. So actually what is this QishioVid is? So I can basically say that briefly that is the 6-in-1 software. Why we are saying that it is a 6-in-1 software? So because it is having a 6 main configurations, 6 main aspects, 6 main tools. So it has a cloud video storage, 2K plus media assets, screen recorder, video and image editor, then 46 search engine optimization tools and YouTube animation tools. So let's witness about this QishioVid software in detail. So let's move to the sales page. So this is the sales page of this QishioVid software. So it is, you have seen that wait, you have $4 discount. So what that mean? It is cost about $17, but when you are going to close this sales page, it shows again $4 discount. That means this QishioVid is basically cost around $13. So let's move to the sales page. So you can say that it is the world's most powerful video marketing app you have ever seen. So why? Why they are saying that? So let's move to the this. It's QishioVid is replaces Wistia, Vimeo, Photoshop, Canva, Premiere, Vegas, Final Cut, Filmora, Artlist, Samo, iStock, Shutterstock, Camtasia, Loom, Fiverr, and Freelancer. So this kind of software has been replaced by this QishioVid. So without any further delay, let's move to this QishioVid demo and the members area. So basically, when you purchase this software, you will going to access this QishioVid members area. So this is the dashboard of this QishioVid. You can see the statistics of daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly, and although the graphical representations of this statistics. So the video that you have seen, and the weekly scene, the monthly, and the year. So let's move to this profile. So oh, I forgot to tell you about this left hand, left align, all these serials. So first one is the dashboard, second one profile, then the video uploading, then image creating, then after that video editor, plus then after that 2K plus stock assist, screen recorder, then a search engine optimization tools, video chat, YouTube automation, and training and tutorial, plus your support desk. So after this profile, you can see your profile picture plus your the curriculum. So how many videos have you uploaded to the QishioVid, and the seen as your pages. Then we move to the upload video. So it's come. So you can simply you can drop or you can browse your media into this your video into this video uploading, and you can just publish them. So in the image creator, let's see what we are found in this in that section. So then you can simply we can use one kind of a photo. So here it is. So simply let's see what we can do of this section. So you can filter it, or you can just zoom out obviously, and then after that You can resize, you can do the cropping, you can transform, you can draw whatever the thing freehandly, then add text, you can add shapes, stickers, frames, and then corners, backgrounds. Likewise, you can do the creations for your images. So then we move to this 20,000 stock assets. So you can see that the ample of the needs that you doing day-to-day creations. So it has 20k plus assets. So they have video bundles, quote images, background audios, then graphic icons, background images, footages, the PNGs, graphics, all those things. That is basically for you all. So let's move to this screen recorder. So simply you can start recording, then you can stop recording, then you can download it direct to your computer. So that kind of a tool is available with this QishioVid. So let's move on to the video chat. So it will be open in a new window. So you can put your username and this the code, and you can join to this the video chat. So after that, you can move to the YouTube automation tool. It's also open in the new window. So let's see what will be there. So this is the platform of the YouTube automation. So basically it is also showing the dashboard with all the curriculums and the statistics. So then the social accounts that you included in this QishioVid. So then the channel manager, template manager, then search engine, then keyword finder, that you can have kind of all those things. So the auto replay, rank tracking, and all the support things. So then we'll move to this. I just forget to visit the CE tools. Let's visit to the CEO tools. So and we'll see what will be inside. Here we are. So it is say that 46 search engine optimization tools. So you can see the all the kind of the popular or these days like all the engine tools you can have here without any delay. You can utilize these tools with you. So all are in this with QishioVid software. So then move to the training and tutorials. It's also opening in another window, and we will see what will be there. Okay, here we are. So you can have this all the tutorials regarding this QishioVid and the overview, features, creation, assets, chat functions, YouTube automations, builder, video, like all those things you will find in this QishioVid tutorial area. So other than that, plus you can have this support bar when you have any support to your the needy things from the support group, you can get it done. So basically this software replace this Wistia, then the Vimeo, Photoshop, Canva, that all those the popular these softwares in by this QishioVid. So you will cost around $17 plus when you are going back you will have another $4 discount. So this will be cost around this only $17. So this is already launched product, but you will have this this discount in this page. Okay, guys. Okay, that's all for the QishioVid review. So I hope that you may have some idea about the QishioVid, and that is I think the 6-in-1 software that you will never get this opportunity in future. So please grab the link below of this video and just click in that, then you will directly to the sales page, then you will have the access of this QishioVid software. Thank you very much.